Hello and welcome back to the course on Power BI. In this section of the course, we've got a very exciting challenge. We're dealing with data from a bank, and we're going to be visualizing different things about this bank and creating a business intelligence report. So as usual, to get the data set, we need to go to get a browser and go to www.superdatascience.com/PowerBI, one word. And if you scroll down here, you'll see section 5, building a robust BI dashboard. So here's the data set. Just go ahead and download that. It's a CSV file. And just here's a quick caveat that today's data set is dummy data for an imaginary bank operating in the UK. So you don't have to worry about this information being sensitive. This is all made up information. It's not a real bank's information, of course. And so once you've downloaded the file, let's go ahead and open it to explore what columns we have here. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and we're going to be able to see better. So here we've got customer ID, we've got the name, the surname, the gender of our customer, the age, the region where they're from in the UK, the job classification, whether they're white collar, blue collar, or other. And then we've got the date when they joined the bank. So this is all, it's a relatively new bank. All the customers joined in 2015. And then we've got the balance that these customers have on their accounts. So there we go. That's all of the information that we have. And what we need to do with this information is we need to create a business intelligence report that will show the executives of the bank how basically will portray the geo-demographic segmentations of the bank. So it will show them where the customers are from, what their age groups are, what is the split by gender, what kind of balances they have, what is the distribution by balance, and so on. And so if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see that we have 4,015 rows, actually 4,014 because one row is a header. And yeah, it's a moderately sized data set, and it'll be interesting to see what kind of distributions we'll find in here. So let's go ahead and close this, and now we're going to bring up Power BI and connect to our data set. So we'll just click, this is a new report, and now we're going to just click get data at the top. This is a CSV file, so select CSV and UK bank customers, give it a second. And there we go. We can just check that that is correct. Let it load. And voila, there they are. So we can always go in here and make sure that we've loaded the correct data set. And at the bottom, you can see, you can confirm that it is 4,014 rows total, as we saw in our file. It's always good to confirm those things. Okay, so that's it for today. We know what the data set is about, we know what the challenge is, and we already loaded the data. In the next tutorial, we'll start and proceed with the first chart for our business intelligence report. And I look forward to seeing you then. Until next time, happy analyzing.